Ladies and gentlemen, family and friends, welcoming each and every one of you to Letitia's second book launch here today. So put your hands together for Letitia.
Hello, darlings. Thank you so much for being here with me tonight to celebrate. I can't tell you how much it means to me to see you all here. The room is full. I've received so many positive feedback and comments, so thank you so much. As you all know, we're here to celebrate the launch of my second book, The Delicious Book of Dhal. It's a completely vegan and vegetarian book, and it's based solely on lentils. As a kid, growing up, dal was my favorite thing, and nothing compares to my mom's dal bath, rice and lentils. So this pays homage to my mother, without whom this would not have been possible. As well as my family, today would not have been possible without the chefs that work round the clock from UCB. Now, the uni just does so well. We have fantastic chefs coming from there. Next, can I call up my publishers, please? Julia and Cindy, thank you so much for being here today. The book is absolutely stunning. The whole team have worked so hard, so I can't thank you enough for this opportunity. It means the world to me. This guy has worked so hard like this whole week. The marketing, the slides, everything, he's just been hands-on, and you've done so well. It really would not have been possible without you, so thank you so much. It means the world to me to have a best friend like you. Much. Try some food if you haven't, help yourself to a drink, buy some books, I will sign them for you, and let's celebrate the delicious book of Dhal.